Hello, welcome to my page. My name is Tayana. Today I am doing a hairstyle from Pinterest. I do not know the name of the hairstyle. I've been seeing people lately been doing it, but it's a cute hairstyle I'm finna do in this video. Of course, as you see in the video, my hair looks a fucking mess. But at the end of this video, you're gonna be like, bitch, you did your thing. And yes, I did. But as we're going through the video, I cut parts to the videos that I did. So all the videos are like parted. They're not all together. So in this part of the video, I was trying to recommend you guys a wax stick. It is a good wax stick, but you can see that I cut my edges. I started off cutting my edges and plucking the wig how I wanted it to look. Then in the next clip, you'll see me already have my edges prepped. So I'm going in with my edge brush and some spritz. And as you can see, I am swooping the fuck out of them edges. And I always wanted to try like the big fluffy edges that I've been seeing everybody been doing because it's cute to me. And I wanted to try this on this wig since I didn't do no edges on this wig. So why the fuck not? But as you can see in the video, I swooped the fuck out of them edges. You cannot say I did not swoop the fuck out of them edges. You cannot. You can fucking not. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like this because I like it like this. All right, and then in the next clip, you'll see me taking parts of little hairs from the top and from the sides to do that little curly thing with the hairstyle. And it took me a good ass minute because one of the side of my curls, it was not curling for shit. But as you can see, I was doing my thing, trying to make it happen because I want people to see I'm really about this shit. I'm really do this shit. But this video is over. Y'all like and subscribe to my page and follow my hair page. Thank you.